Welcome back. So, in this video, we're going to dive into the world of B vitamins, which are a group of vitamins that keep a low profile but are absolutely essential for performance, hormonal balance, and emotional well-being. Whether you're training hard, juggling between stressful jobs, or just trying to stay energized and stay sharp, B vitamins are absolutely crucial for you. So, what are B vitamins? Is it fat soluble or water soluble? And is it an essential nutrient? Well, B vitamins are water soluble, meaning that excess is excreted through urine, which is not the same as fat solubles, where they are stored in the body's fat or liver. As these vitamins are water soluble, they cannot be stored in our body for long periods of time, except for B12, also known as cobalamin, which can be stored in the body for up to 4 years. B vitamins are a group of 8 vitamins that include B1, also known as thiamine, B2, which is also known as riboflavin, B3, also known as niacin, B5, also known as pantothenic acid, B6, also known as pyridoxine, B7, also known as biotin, B9, also known as folate, or in supplemented form, folic acid, and B12, also known as cobalamin. Now, let's go in depth of what each of these vitamins actually do in our body. So, B1, thiamine. Thiamine is essential for turning food into usable energy, also known as ATP, especially glucose. It supports nerve function and helps maintain a healthy metabolism. Deficiency can lead to fatigue, irritability, and poor coordination. B2, riboflavin. Riboflavin helps break down fats, proteins, and carbs to create energy. It also supports healthy skin and eyes and acts as an antioxidant to protect cells from damage. B3, niacin. Niacin is crucial for energy production at the cellular level. It also supports DNA repair, skin health, and cholesterol regulation. High doses are sometimes used to improve blood lipid levels. B5, pantothenic acid. This vitamin is involved in synthesizing coenzyme A, which is vital for breaking down fats and producing steroid hormones like cortisol. It also plays a role in energy metabolism. B6, pyridoxine. B6 is essential for creating brain chemicals like serotonin and dopamine. It also helps regulate homocysteine, which is linked to heart health, supports immune function, and is important in hormone balance, especially for women. B7, biotin. Biotin helps convert food into energy, especially fats and amino acids. It's also widely known for its role in maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. B9, folate. Folate is important for making DNA and red blood cells. It's especially important during pregnancy to support fetal development and prevent neural tube defects. It also helps regulate mood through neurotransmitter function. And finally, B12, cobalamin. B12 supports brain health, nerve integrity, and energy by helping form red blood cells and supporting DNA synthesis. Deficiency can cause fatigue, memory issues, mood problems, and even irreversible nerve damage. As these vitamins are water soluble, this means that the body cannot store them in large amounts, so they need to be regularly replenished through diet and supplementation. Now, let's explore the main functions of the B vitamins through performance, hormonal health, and mood health. B vitamins help convert the food that you eat into usable energy, specifically B1, B2, B3, B5, and B6. They are involved in energy metabolism and blood cell formation, which is important for endurance and recovery. Folate, which is B9, and B12 are especially important in oxygen delivery because they help your body produce healthy red blood cells. In hormonal health, B vitamins are deeply involved in the production and regulation of hormone. B6 supports progesterone and serotonin, helping to improve mood and PMS symptoms. B5 is critical for adrenal function and the production of cortisol, your body's main primary stress hormone. Folate and B12 are involved in methylation, a process that impacts hormone detoxification and DNA repair. And in mood and mental health, B vitamins are involved in brain function. B6, B9 and B12 help regulate neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine and GABA, which are all vital for mood, sleep and performance. Deficiencies in these vitamins are linked to cognitive decline, depression and anxiety. Now, let's explore the subfunctions of the B vitamins. And by this I mean, how does it work synergistically with other nutrients in the body? This includes magnesium, vitamin C, choline and zinc. Magnesium enhances B6 activity and supports the nervous system. Vitamin C supports adrenal health alongside with B5. Choline works with folate and B12 in methylation pathways. And zinc supports mental health and works alongside B6 in neurotransmitter production. So let's do a quick recap of this section. B vitamins are essential for converting food into energy, peak performance, hormone production and balance, and brain chemistry and emotional regulation. Now let's explore the symptoms of B vitamin deficiency. This includes fatigue or low energy, brain fog or poor concentration, irritability or mood swings, PMS symptoms, and tingling or numbness, especially with a B12 deficiency. It's important to note that these deficiencies can develop more quickly if intake is inadequate, especially during periods of stress, illness, or increased physical activity. That's why it's important to regularly replenish these vitamins through diet or supplements. Now, let's explore the best ways to get B vitamins through diet. And the most effective way is through a varied, nutrient-rich diet. B vitamins are found in animals and plant-based products, but some forms like B12 are especially found in animal products. The most effective way is through a varied, nutrient-dense diet. B vitamins are found in animal and plant foods, but B12 are only naturally found in animal products. The top B vitamin rich foods are, for B1, whole grains, pork, liver, eggs, legumes and nuts. For B2, eggs, dairy, green vegetables, liver, mushrooms, fish and almonds. For B3, poultry, fish, peanuts, fruit, vegetables and food containing tryptophan. For B5, avocados, yogurt, mushrooms, vegetables, cereals, liver, mushroom, tuna, salmon, fruit. It's important to note that B5 deficiency is rare. For B6, bananas, chicken and potatoes. For B7, eggs, especially the yolk, sweet potatoes, fruits, vegetables, grains and milk. For B9, leafy greens, beans, lentils and fish. And for B12, meat like beef, turkey, chicken, fish, especially mussels, dairy and eggs. Now let's explore the best forms of B vitamin supplementation. Look for a high quality complex or individual supplement as needed. Methylated forms such as methylfolate, which is the active form of folate, and methylcobalamin, the active form of B12, are more bioavailable and especially beneficial for people with MTHFR gene mutation. Methylfolate is crucial for DNA synthesis and self-repair, while methylcobalamin is essential for neurological health and red blood cell formation. Here are some dosage guidelines. So, dosage varies, especially as adults. It could be between 1 to 25 milligram, and it also depends on the B vitamin supplement. B12 and folate may require higher doses in deficiency or women who are pregnant. And as always, consult with a healthcare provider if you plan on supplementing for long periods of time. So here's a quick recap of this section. B vitamins are water soluble and must be replenished regularly. They are key for energy, hormonal balance and mental health. Best sources are whole foods and quality supplements when needed. If you're serious about optimizing performance, hormonal balance, and emotional well-being, don't overlook these B vitamins. They are really important. And if this has brought you of any value, subscribe now and start rebuilding your body from the inside out. Thank you.